you think about? You know, when you think about leadership, what does that mean? Not rhetorical, yes. Influence, okay. To influence. Encouraging others, okay.
To bring out the greatness in others.
To bring out the greatness in others, I like that. Yeah. So these are some things that some people have said about leadership. John Quincy Adams said, if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you're a leader. Great leaders create more leaders, not followers. Great leaders have vision, share vision, and inspire others to create their own. That was somebody named Roy T. Bennett. I've seen a lot of his stuff, but I don't know who he is. John Maxwell said, leadership is not about titles, positions, or flowcharts. It's about one life influencing another. If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Great leaders can see the greatness in others when they can't see it in themselves and lead them to their highest potential they don't even know. I really like that one, also by Roy T. Bennett. And the key to successful leadership is influence, not authority. A lot of times we look at leadership from a context of authority, but you really don't have to have authority to be a leader, and a lot of people who do have authority aren't leaders. Leaders and managers are not the same thing. And leadership is a whole different kind of ball game. So that's leadership. But I want to talk about what's culture. When you think about culture, particularly culture of an organization, what does that mean? Okay. Okay. There's some sort of experience, right? Some sort of shared experience, would you say? Okay. What else? Culture. What does it come to mind? Just what comes to mind? Acceptable behaviors, right? Professionalism. Okay. Anybody else? A culture should have impact beyond what you see today. If it doesn't, it probably wasn't really an embedded culture, right? Even if you think about it within our family context, right? There are cultures that families have around the way they do certain things, or how they, celebrate certain holidays, or, whatever, the things that the values that they have as a family. And as long as those, when those attitudes and those expressions get repeated over and over and over again from generation to generation, you can identify that as a culture of that family, okay? So that's kind of what we're going to be talking about. So I'm not just talking about a list of behaviors or mission statements, but some key attributes to embody in every aspect of your life, meaning culture. So why I think a leadership culture mindset is important. I view an organization's culture more like its DNA, which must be embedded within every building block of the company, not just as a set of add-ons and extensions, no matter how robust they are. So when I talk about a leadership culture, I mean that leadership is the foundation cornerstone, the load-bearing walls, and the plumb line by which the organization's significance is measured. And I want you to think about that for a minute. The organization's significance is measured by the length and breadth and depth of the leadership that it's developing within it. So building a leadership-centric culture mindset produces a pipeline of leaders at every level and overflows into society.